The Branford Group is proud to introduce the major two-day online auction of Commodore construction, featuring thousands of lots of metalworking, fabrication, fleet vehicles, material handling, construction equipment, power tools, and more. Bidding opens Wednesday, June 24th at 8 a.m. Eastern, with Day 1 beginning to close Tuesday, June 30th at 10 a.m., and Day 2 beginning to close Wednesday, July 1st at 10 a.m. This auction includes major CNC and fabrication assets, including an Amada CNC press brake, Haas VF4SS machining center, Flow CNC water jet systems, welders, milling machines, shears, compressors, and a pass-through paint booth. Also featured Kenworth, Hino, Isuzu, Chevrolet, Ram, Ford and Freightliner fleet vehicles, forklifts, scissor lifts, telehandlers, light towers, job boxes, generators, power tools, scaffolding, and more. Register today and bid online with the Branford Group.